We also have some news coming in from our entertainment section, and that is Britney Spears. Remember, the popular singer has been under the conservatorship for many years now, and it now appears that her father has decided to step down from being a conservator for her and has controlled her life, although for 13 years already. The departure not yet imminent, but only planned.
Pop star Britney Spears' father, Jamie Spears, has agreed to step down from his long-time role as conservator of his daughter's estate. This has been confirmed by Britney's attorney on August 12th. We're pleased that Mr. Spears and his lawyer have today conceded in a filing that he must be removed. It is vindication for Britney. We look forward to continuing a vigorous investigation into the conduct of Mr. Spears and others over the past 13 years, while he reaped millions of dollars from his daughter's estate. And I look forward to taking Mr. Spears' sworn deposition in the near future, the singer's lawyer, Matthew Rosengart, said in the statement. The toxic pop star has been seeking for months to remove her father from any say in her affairs. A court hearing to discuss her request had been sent for late September in Los Angeles. The 39-year-old pop star was placed under a conservatorship that controls both her personal and financial affairs in 2008 after she suffered a highly public breakdown in 2007 when the shaven-headed star attacked a paparazzo's car at a gas station. That led to her being placed under the unusual legal guardianship largely governed by her father.
Free Britney!
Public support for the singer has swelled since her emotional address to the court in June, in which she called the conservatorship abusive and humiliating. Britney has not performed in public since late 2018 at the end of a world tour and an extended concert residency in Las Vegas, and recently confirmed that she would not perform again while her father retains control over her career. Instead, Britney has been treating fans with dance videos from her living room. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.